In this section, we'll review the Savings Goal tab. This tab is designed to help you track various savings goals. It includes your total savings goal, monthly savings amount, the amount left to save, and current savings. The Savings Goal table is where you'll enter your different savings objectives. Let's set up a new savings goal. We'll start saving for a vacation. First, enter the goal amount, which is the total cost of the vacation. Then, input the planned monthly savings amount. For this example, we'll allocate $150 per month towards our vacation fund. If you have some money to start with, enter it in the starting amount field. Let's say we have $600 to begin with. If you don't have any initial savings, that's fine too. Just enter 0 in that field. The remaining columns will automatically populate, showing the amount left to save, the number of months it will take to reach your goal, and the projected date when you'll achieve your savings goal. You can track up to 18 different goals with this spreadsheet. That wraps up our review of the Savings Goal tab. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send us a message. Enjoy managing your finances.